Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add text inside of like a letter shape in Adobe Illustrator. So I am just going to type A here, and you're also going to change the font to like a bolder one if you'd like to. And I'll just right click, create outlines. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger so you guys can kind of see. And then I will go to Object, Compound Path, and Release. Right click and then select and group, and you're just going to, I guess, color this in. Whoops. Grab a text tool, and I think it's type on path. No, it's this one, I think. And then you're just going to write down whatever you want. Okay, hold on. There we go. I need like a lot of text here to write. I'm also going to place it kind of in the middle here. I do need to like paste it again down here. There we go. You can kind of adjust the characters styles here as well. But I'm just going to leave it like this. And then I am going to change the background to black. And this one to black as well, I guess. Then I'll get the text, and you can color it to whatever color you want. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.